Welcome students, class 10th. Yes, see, all of you present? Very good. Students, see, in previous video we discussed about substitution method, right? We discussed about substitution method of solving pair of linear equations in two variables. Okay. In substitution you understood finding value of one variable from one equation and putting that value in other variable, other equation, so that now in second equation we get it in same variable and we find second variable. We have practiced this example. Okay, now we will see second method, elimination method. See, elimination method. Eliminate means remove. Remember it. Now see, I am taking one example, x plus y. See, what is the meaning? You will understand by seeing this example. X plus y equal to 3 and 2x plus y equal to minus 2. 3x plus y equal to minus 2. I have taken one example. Now I am also writing second example, 3x minus 4y equal to 10. See, 3x minus 4y equal to 10. And second equation is 4x plus 3y equal to 5. 4x plus 3y equal to 5. Please see the I have taken two examples, 1 and 2. In these two examples, you will understand this methodology. What is elimination? Now we got two equations, student. See, in these examples, we got there are two variables x, y. We got x, y. Now we see the numerical coefficients of these variables. Variable of x is, coefficient of x is 1, coefficient of x is 3, coefficient of y is 1, coefficient of y is 1. Right? Here, coefficient of x is 3, coefficient of x is 4, coefficient of y is minus 4, coefficient of y is plus 3. Okay. Now we will see numerical coefficient. Numerical means not to take sign. Only 4, 3, 3, 4, 1, 1, 1, 3. Don't think for sign. Only numerical coefficient. Then in this method, check in both equations if coefficient of any one of the variable is equal. See, it is 1, 1. So our one problem is solved already, given easy, right? Look here. So I am just now taking number 1, number 2. Check coefficient of any variable is equal or not. If equal, yes. So my work is less now. Now next step, either add or subtract 1 from 2 or 2 from 1 as per convenience. So we are subtracting 2 from 1. 2 from 1. So I am writing the subtract 2 from 1. 2 from 1 means 2 from 1. So first I have to write 1. X plus 1 1 equal to 3. 3x plus 1 y equal to minus 2. And I am told to subtract. So I am changing signs. Yes or no? Now see, x means 1, 1 minus 3 minus 2, x plus 1 minus 1, 0 equal to 3 plus 2, 5. Now so we got x equal to minus 5 upon 2. See, here we have eliminated one variable by subtracting. Here both are positive, so I have to subtract. Then only y can be subtracted from y. See, this decision subtraction is taken by seeing these signs. Both are positive, so subtract. Now I'll put this value of x in one of these. I'll get value of y. Okay. Now see, I am taking first equation, x plus y equal to 3. Putting value of x minus 5 upon 2 plus y equal to 3. So y equal to 3 minus 5, so plus 5 upon 2. 3 means what? 3 upon 1. Find LCM. What is LCM? What is LCM? 2. So I have to multiply 1 by 2 and 2 by 1. So 2, 3, 6 and plus 5 equal to 11 upon 2. We got value of y upon 2, that is 5 upon 5. Elimination means only make coefficients of numerical coefficients of one of the variables in both equal. If already given, our work is reduced, so we are taking now. So can I eliminate this by subtraction or addition? Both are positive, so I have done subtraction. Subtract one from other. Okay, this is called elimination. Now let's look here. What is first step? Look at the variables, check coefficients different. So we cannot eliminate directly. Okay, then we have to make their numerical coefficients 1. Either numerical coefficient of x make it equal or numerical coefficient of y equal. Hey, what is numerical coefficient of y here? Yes, 4 and 3. Don't take sign. 4 and 3. So now let us see. Should we make coefficient of x equal or coefficient of y equal? Let us make coefficient of y equal. Okay. So if I want to make coefficient of y equal, then find LCM of these coefficients of y. LCM of 3 and 4 equal to 12. Right? So see, then I have to write first equation like this in bracket. First of all, write in bracket properly. We have decided to make coefficient of y equal. So I have to multiply this 4 by 3. So I am writing in 3. I have to multiply this 3 by 4. So I am writing 4. The opening bracket implies 9x minus 12y equal to 30. 16x plus 12y equal to 20. After making equal coefficients, look here, after seeing equal coefficients, we decided subtract or add. We have done subtract. Now see here, signs are opposite. Signs are opposite. We will add only direct. Add. If we add, signs will remain same. We'll get cancel. Cancel. See how simple, very simple. 9 plus 16, how much beta? Yes, 25. X equal to 50. So x equal to 2. What it? Now I'll take value of x equal to 2 in any one of the given equation. I am taking C. Is this visible? Okay, I am writing. Okay. Now see, I am putting value of x in this first or second. Tell me which should I take, first or second? I am taking first. I am taking first. 3x minus 4y equal to 10. Now I am putting x equal to 3.2 minus 4y equal to 10. 3 to 6. So minus 4y. 6 will go this side. We are in class 10. Please be careful. I got y equal to 1. Right? Therefore, solution is x, y equal to 2, 1. This is the answer we got. You have solved equation by elimination. If you remove that variable either by subtracting or adding after making the coefficients equal. You understood meaning of elimination? Very good. I will take 1 or 2 more examples in next video.